Today we're at our local lake, which also has a fairly extensive trail system, and today's video was inspired by Jennifer Lupin, who also was inspired by Steps by Katja. And it's to turn on our GPS, walk a trail, and try to make a shape of a heart to send our love around the world to all our friends and let everyone know they're being thought of. So thanks to Jennifer and Katja, and let's turn on the GPS and get on to our walk. So we're off to a good start. We've got our app going. So we're hearing a raven in the distance. We don't often see birds right close to the trail here because the park is quite extensive in size, but we do hear them a lot, so that's always enjoyable. Looks like this big tree snapped off. Likely see quite a bit of that. This is the first time we've been on the trail this winter. This first section of the trail starts off with a little bit of elevation gain. This is a really good look at our native sword fern, which is very common here in the Pacific Northwest. We found a really great example of a very healthy nurse log, but you can see the size of the tree that's coming out of that is probably 30 feet. A good size evergreen coming out of that nurse log that's also has salal and fern. They create the perfect environment for new growth in the forest floor. I've lived in the Pacific Northwest my entire life, and the nurse logs always fascinate me for some reason. This one has 3 cedars growing out of the top. Okay, we're about to meet my most favorite nurse log of all. Are you ready for this? This one even has a name. Everyone, meet Groot.
Hi, Groot.
You see the resemblance? Groot has ferns. I believe they're licorice ferns growing out of the top for his hair. So, there's Groot. With his crazy hair. What do you think of Groot?
I love Groot.
Me too. Yeah, so say hi to Groot. Hi, Groot.
Hey, buddy. You scratch your forehead?
Yep, good to see you. I think we're going to have a squiggly heart.
Oh, we can't be meadow stompers either, so.
Yep, so I guess it is what it is. So this is Oregon grape. It's a Pacific Northwest native plant. That was a pair of Canada geese. We're admiring this nurse log, has holly growing out of it. It's just pretty. It gets berries in the fall. We're hopeful this is going to at least resemble a heart. If not, we get an A for effort, I hope. What do you think?
I think so.
I think so too. And if nothing else,
interesting to see what we thought in our heads we were walking versus what's actually on the map.
Let's see if we can get down this rock scramble. We usually come up this way without rolling. Okay, continue on. I can hear some, yeah, that black-capped chickadees. Don't do that.
Alright, fair enough.
Well, our walk is nearly complete. We're about back to the car. We had a great walk. It was beautiful. You'll have to take a look at our GPS map to see if it resembles anything close to a heart. I don't know. We tried. We had to stay on trail and we had lots of choices. This is a neat park for that because lots of intertwining trails. So thanks again to Katja in Belgium and Jennifer Lupin for the great inspiration for this walk today. It had a great meaning to it and we just had a wonderful time, and even if our GPS does not resemble a heart, we got out and enjoyed a place that we absolutely love together, and we hope to inspire you to do the same. So yeah, get out and enjoy a local park near you and see if you can create a heart on a GPS, because we sure had a lot of fun.
Yes, we did.
Yeah, it was a great day. So we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, guys.